Seagrove Recovery is part of Foundation's Recovery Network, which is a national network of programs. What that means is we have the backing here at Seagrove with evidence-based treatment with proven outcomes to help folks get better, start their journey to recovery, and help them be successful as they move back into their communities and back home. When you walk through our doors, you're not defined by your addiction. We see you as a whole person, and we treat and care for you that way.
I think the driving force here at Seagrove is seeing the day-to-day change with the client and seeing how they show up differently than they did in the beginning. It's not just about getting sober, it's about helping the client redirect themselves and realizing their self-worth and giving them hope. Something unique that we do here is we meet patients where they're at, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. We listen with compassion and we help the client understand that they're not just another person in the program, but a person with a story that matters.
So we know that you might have a lot of fears coming into the program and a lot of expectations that may be set by friends or family, and maybe even yourself. One of the reasons that Seagrove was the next step for me is the opposite of addiction is connection, and recovery is a relationship. We work on kind of not just abstinence from a substance, but really looking at wellness.
Something that I find really inspiring is when a client can use the things that they learn either in one-on-one therapy with me or in group sessions when they are not in that session. So if they become anxious or depressed or overwhelmed outside of the therapeutic setting, and then they report back and say, hey, that grounding exercise worked, that mindfulness exercise worked, that's really fulfilling for me. You're not just here for 30 days and then we wish you the best of luck at the end of your stay. We give you the resources and tools that you need to move forward with your life in recovery after your treatment, including access to therapists, psychiatrists, medical needs, housing, sober communities, recovery communities, wherever you're returning to. Our goal here is to help you build the foundation so that you can continue to grow into the person that you want to be, not just for yourself, but also for your loved ones.
At my core, I'm a hopeful person, and I love sharing that hope with every person that I meet. Here at Seagrove, we know where there's hope, people thrive, and we want to help foster that hope for those that may have lost it.
Seagrove Recovery. Healing and recovery by the sea.